Okay guys, before we crack on with the video for today, I just want to say first of all thank you to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel and also my Facebook group, and a big special thank you to Jacqueline Harley, because Jacqueline sent me a very generous coffee on my Coffee Found Me that find just listed here in the info box. As you know guys, having a YouTube channel is very expensive because you buy any sort of crafty things, and especially for us that we create videos, we have to kind of like keep spending money to get new supplies and make videos. So, and every support from you guys is always much appreciated. So massive thank you to Jacqueline. Please go and follow her. She's got an amazing YouTube channel, very shabby, very romantic, does a lot of journal and embellishment. So please go and subscribe and just send that Antonio send you there, and just spread the love and support in our community. Big special thank you, Jacqueline, from me to you. Okay guys, I've got some scrap paper here, and I thought, yeah, let's do something with it. So some pieces I might have to trim this because, yeah, it's a bit irregular. So what am I going to do? The base of the tags, I want them to be embossed. So I've got this lovely leaves baroque sort of geometric motif. Then I've got this one here with the flowers and the writing. This was part of the one of the magazines. And then I've got this one here, which is again, it's another baroque geometric. So I'm going to emboss all these tags, and then I've bought myself, it literally arrived yesterday, this is from the range, it's the Distress Things, it's the set, I think it's called, I don't want to say neutral, but you get 4 in a pack. So you've got the walnut stain, the black suit, the vintage photo, and the antique linen. So I'm going to distress, but we're going to do this together. So I'm going to emboss them and I'll be right back. Done. I distressed some of them with the inks. God, I love this. I love the texture. Got 4 in total. And then what I did, I distressed 2 paper doilies because we're going to use that as well. And then that's the birds that I fussy cut. So we got 4 of them as well. Now in my head, what I wanted to do, so let's get this here. I can glue them. So I might cut this half. Okay. So kind of like layer it. Let me zoom in. Okay, there. I love him. I mean, look at him. How sassy this little bird is. Ow, actually. So, yeah, so kind of like distress them, layer them. But I want to put some sparkle. But now, so I've got some scrap. The thing is, I want them to be Christmas, but not, I don't want them to shout Christmas, if it makes sense. But I want them to have that little, ooh, that little touch. I don't think I got anything else that is, I get this. Right, so use up some scraps. Right. I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, this is nice, but I do like the blue as well. We can try to incorporate this somewhere, somehow. I know what. Stay here. Got an idea. I've got ones. I got this on the other side of the room, and I got my chair here. I've got an idea. I think we can cut. This is it an inch? Yeah, so that's an inch punch. So if we do something like that, and then perhaps we put some I don't know, guys, I'm just making up as I go along. Something like that. I do like it if it goes like that. Yeah, better. Don't like that you see this straight thing. Yeah, so that's one. And what am I going to do, guys? I'm going to do off camera just for the speed point of view. I might put one underneath and one out. I'm going to distress all the edges, but I'm going to do that off camera. So this is number one. Done. I'm pleased. Then let's get another one. So that's the, is that the biggest? I think that's the biggest. And there is a really big bird, which is this one, which is going to come out of the tags, but never mind, because I quite like that. So I thought in here, because the bird is going to be just in there, we need to kind of make sure this side of the tag is quite heavily decorated, just to balance it out. I do like this red. In fact, I got this stamp for a very long time and I never used it. So I thought we could use it today. Now, I don't know if it's gonna work with, I don't know if you can see it actually. So where is this way? So what I'm doing, I just want the red. I don't want anything too precise. Yeah, so it looks like, I don't know if you can see. I don't know if it'll show up properly on camera. It's kind of, see, that's kind of like gradient ombre effect, some like dark too. So let's close that. Where's the lid? So we might do that. I'm going to distress all of that around it. So I'll put that in there, that in there, bird in there. Might come out like that. And there's something in there. Don't know if we can put. Don't know if it's too big. I don't want to use. I don't want to put any messages. I just want. Unless we put that there, and the bird on top. Still want something in there. No, I don't want another paper doily. Wish you guys could help me. Lace paper, well, printed lace paper, see if that works. Yeah, I might go for that. I'll put that there. I'm going to trim it slightly. Yes, and that is tag number 2. Yeah, put that on one side. Number 3. So on number 3, so I've got these 2 left. So this tag is bigger. Look how cute it is. I think this works better there because it's bigger. So again, I'm gonna cut the doily. Oh god, 7 minutes. I need to speed it up. Speed it up, speed it up. Okay, so we might do that there. He's gonna come here. Then we need to something in there. Maybe we do something like that. I do like the scallop actually. Can you see it? Because I probably have cut it with some scissors, so I quite like that. I'm gonna leave that. So that there, the little bird there. I'm just gonna leave the space because I want to try to do something which I'm gonna show you in just a sec. You need some colors on the bottom, so let's try to do there. In fact, let's put some music. Black. There. Yeah, happy. I think I am. He needs some glitter though. I think if I follow his little chest, yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. Yeah, so that's number 3 there. And then the last one, number 4, got that there. Should we change it or should we stick? No, let's stick with that there. Oh, look, it's me, really chubby and sassy. What we got here? We got a tiny bit of that, which we might use. And I want some colour. So that can go in the bin. I do like this pink. I know most of you won't like this glittery paper. I do like having just random touches of texture and colour. Yeah, but I did stress all of that so you won't see the white. Yes. Right, I'm going to glue them all up, but before, what I was thinking to do, I'm going to put, oops, for the hole there, I'm going to make, have I got 4 of this? Have I got some scraps? Yes. So 1, in fact, I might show you now so I can glue them. 2, 3, 4. What I was thinking, let's do this. Use this and as a hole when I put the, I haven't decided what colour ribbon or thread I'm going to use, but I'll have a look in a minute. So what I might do, hole puncher there. It could have been a bit centered, but never mind. So glue that there. I might actually, got an idea. We give him, let's give it a bit of interest. So I'm going to do that like that, and then glue that in there and create another hole. Yes, you know, to create a bit of Oh, actually, that might be. No, I might. Yeah, because that's a bit boring. Yes, I might do layer them just like that. Okay, guys, I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, guys, little present for you. I just made this little freebie for you. You find all the birds on your left hand side. Then I put one on my tag that I made today, and also a plain tag so you can play around. You can just download it, print it, and then just play and do what you like. Just a little favor, guys, and I put some little T&C. Please do not sell this freebie. Please do not copy or modify for your own digital art, and please do not print for selling purposes. That would be much appreciated. Enjoy, guys. This freebie will be available on my Facebook group in the section on file, or if you're not on Facebook, just send me an email. You find my email address listed here in the info box, so click in there and just drop me an email, and with the subject freebie, and I will send you this picture on your email address. Okay, guys, let me show you the tags. So they're all nice and done now. So this is 1, 2, love this, 3, which is my favorite. Look at him, so cute. I really think that this glittery blue paper works really well with this. I think so. And number 4. As you can see, guys, they don't scream Christmas, but and I left it on purpose like this because I might add little words in there like joy or Christmas or peace and stuff like that, but because I'm not too sure, but they are, for me, they're quite Christmassy. And then I was playing with these beautiful birds. I made another card, so I altered, to be fair, another card. So this is the 5 of hearts. So what I did, guys, I play again with these birds. I simply glue them in there, and then this blue here with these beautiful flowers, this is actually a napkin. And then what I did, I simply cut it literally with, like, tear it with my hands and glue them where there were some gaps. And then I distressed everything with the inks. And because when you do this sort of decoupage with napkins, you get this sort of edges there, as you can see. Focus of me, fabulous. So I distress with my finger sponges, and I went all over it just to give it that effect of like vintagey, like dirty sort of old card. And I'm really pleased. I really like it. I was a bit indecisive if I go with the pen just enhance the hearts, because I'm, you know, you can see those 4, you're not sure you can see the 5th one which is in there, but I think the 5 are clear enough. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this card. Right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this mini tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and please enjoy your freebie as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.